I'm here today to introduce you to our next subscription kit box. This is June's kit and it's called Summer Sunset. It's full of gorgeous yellows, coral pinks, some beautiful coppers and foil papers, and then some teals just to add a little interest. Let me walk you through what's included in the kit. Of course, we start out with our Encore color palette for the month, and this is what the rest of the kit is based off of. So we choose these colors first, and then everything else is coordinated and perfectly matching these 5 colors of Encore. So for Encore this month, we have Encore Vermilion, Encore Turquoise Necklace, Marigold, Peachy Keen, and Flamingo. So those are our starting colors. Then we've got a sheet of white stripe acetate. Now this is clear. I've seen some really fun cards made lately with acetate where this is the base of the card and then you layer things up. So you basically have a see-through card. So that's fun. We've got some blush pink vellum. Then we've got 2 sheets of pearlescent paper. We have Cerio Pearl Rose Gold. That's kind of a really pale pink. And then we have Star Dream Gold with that metallic sheen. We have Basil Dotted Swiss, and this color is called Coral Reef. It's got that embossed raised dot. Then we have 2 foils. We have a light pink and a copper, both gorgeous. And then this is a sheet of our Encore multicolor gradient glitter. So it's got a real fine glitter finish, and you can see it's got that gradient color. I mean, if this doesn't scream summer sunset, I don't know what does. It looks just like a sunset. Then we have sequin cardstock, and this color is Champagne Fusion. So it's got some multicolored little sequins in it. Then we have 2 sheets of Glitter Luxe. We've got Mermaid, Teal, and Copper Fusion. And then we have a sheet of Basil Card Shop Gingham. So this is a heavyweight cardstock with this printed pattern on it. So that is everything that is included in the June Summer Sunset kit. This is available for purchase now in the shop with a subscription, and you can grab it through the month of May, and then it will start shipping June 10th through 15th. So now we've got a bonus SVG project included for you. This month we're going to be making 2 purse projects. So the first is a vintage inspired little sequin coin purse gift card holder. So the little gift card slides in there, and using this gorgeous Encore sequin cardstock. And then the second is a dimensional purse. It has a bow on the front, it has a little spot for a gift card inside, and then on the back is a little pocket with a note card that slides out to leave a message. So both of these files, including a video tutorial, is included with your kit. We're excited for you to get this in your hands and start making beautiful things with it. And of course, like I mentioned, this does start shipping June 10th.